The history of mathematics. The knowledge and emergence of mathematics started in 17th century. At this age, different mathematicians emerged. Their main aim was to spread the knowledge by developing different theories. The growth of science was a key pillar of mathematics development. Therefore, mathematics history can be traced back to William Gilbert's DEM magnetism in 1600 and Isaac Newton's optics in 1704. All this material focused on developing experimentation of scientific facts. Other mathematicians and scientists followed and developed their own material, which later led to the renaissance of mathematics. Geometry and algebra are able to emerge in connection with different research. Moreover, further research led to other mathematical concentration on topics such as probability, trigonometry, arithmetic, logarithm, among others. Euclid was one among the famous mathematicians and he was known as the father of geometry. His famous geometry contribution is referred to as Euclidean geometry, which is there in the geometry class 9. He spent all his life working for mathematics and set a revolutionary contribution to geometry. Greek mathematician often referred to as the founder of geometry. His Element is one of the most influential work in the history of mathematics, serving as the main textbook for teaching mathematics. In Elements, Euclid deduced the theorem of what is now called Euclidean geometry from a small set of axioms. Euclid also wrote work on perspective, conic section, spherical geometry, number theory, and mathematical rigor. The European Space Agency's Euclid spacecraft was named in his honor. The minor planet Euclid is named after him. India has had a long legacy of extraordinary teachers and scholars who had immense knowledge about mathematics and astronomy. From discovering the concept of zero to calculating the current days in a year, mathematician in India has been at the forefront of the challenging the norm as well as the thirst for knowledge. Aryabhatta is the first in the line of great mathematician astronomer from the classic age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. He was born in 476 AD in Pataliputra. He studied at the University of Nalanda. He rooted his invention in mathematics and astronomy in verse form. The most famous work of Aryabhatta are the Aryabhatiya and Aryasiddhanta. The book dealt with many topics like astronomy, spherical trigonometry, arithmetic, algebra, and plane trigonometry. The book was translated into Latin in 13th century. Through the translated Latin version of the Aryabhatiya, the European mathematician learned how to calculate the area of triangle, volume of sphere, as well as how to find out the square and cube root. He invented zero as well as discovered many things in maths and space. Made model of solar system where sun was the center. He found out how many days are in a year. He figured out how long a day was. Found the earth's circumference or the distance around the earth. He even concluded that the moon is dark and shines because of the light of the sun. He gave a logical explanation to the theory of solar and lunar eclipse. He declared that eclipses are caused due to the shadow casted by the earth and the moon. He suggested formula to calculate area of a triangle and circle which are correct. He deducted the value of pi was equal to 62,832 by 20,000 is equal to 3.1416, claiming that was an approximation. India's first satellite Aryabhatta and lunar crater Aryabhatta are both named in his honor. The Aryabhatta satellite also feature on the reverse of Indian 2 rupee note. M.S. Shakuntala Devi, Indian mathematician. Very few people around the world achieved what this Wonder Woman did. A mathematical prodigy, also known as human computer, M.S. Shakuntala Devi was also known for complex problem-solving skill without the aid of any mechanical advice. She was born on November 4, 1939 in Bangalore, India. She was born in a Carnatic Orthodox family. Her father was a circus artist and 3-year-old M.S. Shakuntala used to accompany him to the circus and often come back mesmerized with her interesting card tricks that initiated her love for numbers. By the age of 6, she had first major show at the University of Mysore where she displayed her mathematical prowess by finding out complex square root and cube root within few seconds. After a few more similar performances, she found success at Annamalai University at the age of 8 when she finally acknowledged as a child prodigy. In 1944, she moved to London with her father. In 1977, at Southern Methodist University, she was asked to give the 23rd root of 201 digit number. She answered in 50 seconds. Her answer was 546,372,891, and that was confirmed by calculating done at the US Bureau of Standard by the UNIVAC 1101 computer, for which a special program had to be written to perform such a large calculation. The computer answered in 62 seconds. MS Shakuntala Devi won the Distinguished Woman of the Year in 1969 from the University of Philippines along with a golden medal. In 1988, she was honored with Ramanujan Mathematical Genius Award in Washington, D.C. Her name was listed in 1995 Guinness Book of World Record edition for the outstanding mathematical feat. She published a few books, not only on mathematics and number, but also on astrology, cooking, and a novel book. On November 4, 2013, Devi was honored with a Google Doodle for what would have been her 84th birthday. Srinivasa Ramanujan is one of the greatest mathematicians in the world, and he is known for the greatest work that he did in his field. He made a lot of his theories very popular in the world. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, and he gets known by a number of contributions he made in the theory of numbers. It is very shocking for a lot of people, but initially Ramanujan studied mathematics. He studied mathematics in later half of his education and became an expert. He studied a few books written by international mathematicians, and after a few years he made his own several theories on mathematics. He invented a lot of theories, and the most famous are Ramanujan constant, Mach theta function, Ramanujan conjecture, Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan theta function, Ramanujan sum, Ramanujan set series. He got Fellow of the Royal Society Award. December 22 is celebrated as National Mathematics Day in the memory of mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose birthday falls on this day. In his honor, Indian government declared 2012 as the Year of Mathematics.